Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. Today we're going to take a look at top 5 hypervisors. This is hypervisors that I think they're very good. I used all of them except one, and I'm going to talk to you about which ones are the best, I think. And this is also going to be a good replacement for VMware since they're no longer making it free. And this is my follow-up to the videos I made recently about VMware terminating the Hyper-V or their hypervisor for all users and making it paid. These hypervisors are in here are all going to be free. They have a free version of some form, and I'm going to talk about the free version of it. Some of them are completely free, but some of them they're going to give you like a good trial period. But let's talk about it. So let's rank them. So number one, I think you all gonna guess it. It's gonna be this is my number one. This is number one hypervisor. The reason I like this hypervisor is, first of all, it has a free edition. It has a free edition in the form of community. It has a community edition. So the community edition is free. And it basically is one of the first HCI. So it's going to be HCI, Hyper Converged Infrastructure. So it's a very durable, it's free, and I think it's one of the best. It's revolutionary. So that's basically the pros of the hypervisor. There's a lot more, like you can do easy manageability, easy management, and much more. But the downside, I guess, is gonna be, and I put in here cons, is going to be hardware requirement. The hardware requirement is going to be enterprise. So the hardware requirement is really, very, very heavy. So that's the first one, but it's still good. I still rank it number one. The other one is VMware. So this one is VMware, and I know you're probably wondering, why is he talking about VMware when VMware is no longer free, right? The reason I am is because even though it's not free, it doesn't mean it's bad. It's still good. It's just Broadcom decided to take it for all it got and try to kick out all the users don't have money. So all the broke people cannot use VMware, but it's still good. I think it has a lot of potential. It's the closest thing to Nutanix, and it's a lot better in a lot of ways, like hardware requirements. So easy. I'm just gonna put HW or HR rather, hardware requirement. So you don't have to have a enterprise, hardware. You also, it's also easy to use. It's really, really loved and admired by the community. Or I'm just going to say, in this case, IT pros. So, but the con is not free anymore. Other than that, and it's also may require like a vCenter for advanced tasks. So it may require vCenter for advanced tasks. And then you got Hyper-V. Microsoft Hyper-V. It's free. You can get Hyper-V server, and that's one of the advantage, and it's also easy to use. And it's actually very popular for a lot of enterprise. So it's very popular. All of these three I mentioned, the Nutanix, VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, are all very popular. They're all very loved in the enterprise world. So they're very popular in IT pro market. So basically, So basically, those are the hypervisor we have so far. Then we're gonna talk about the less known hypervisor in the enterprise world, Citrix Zen Server. Citrix Zen Server, it's very good. You know, I won't say it's free because I think they have weird, notion what license is free, what's not free. So I'll just say for now, it is, long evaluation because it's been a while since I actually got it. I think I got it for free, but I'm not sure if I got it because I was a partner or not. So it's a long evaluation. It's very easy to use, I would say. And the only thing about it is that it's very old school either. So it's very old and very old and not popular. Not popular in the sense like you don't see a lot of people running as a hypervisor, at least for the people I talk to in my professional community. So not popular in the IT world like that, but it still will do the job, you know, if you were interested in actually getting it. And then you have Proxmox. This is actually one that I be seeing all the time when people talking about it's a replacement for VMware. I'm not so sure. I haven't used it to be honest with you, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. I can't rate it because again I haven't used it. I don't want to be, judging it before using it. So maybe it has a lot of good things. I've been reading a lot of good things about it. I also read a lot of things about it where people say it's not enterprise ready. In fact, I read backup doesn't even support this yet. So they're trying to learn how to support this. And so it's not ready for enterprise. If you're trying to like back up the hypervisor with Veeam, it may not work. For example, Veeam backup backs up Nutanix, VMware, Hyper-V. I'm not sure about Zen server, but it backs up all those three hypervisors easily. And so this one is not, it's not Veeam doesn't even support it. I would probably replace this one with the Oracle VirtualBox, and basically, or I'll replace in this case, all of them are free except this one. This one is not free. So because it's not free, I'll probably swap it for this one, Oracle. So I'll swap this one for Oracle because Oracle is free hypervisor, and it's also easy to use. And it's a type 2 hypervisor, but that means you have to have an operating system, and you cannot just run it on the host itself. You have to have the host already running operating system. Then you can install on top of the Oracle VirtualBox. Then you can run it, VMs inside there. So it's almost like a nested VM situation, but it works really well, I have to say. But yeah, so this is my list. I hope that you find they're helpful in them. I'm gonna put this on top of here because we're gonna get rid of VMware and we'll replace it with that. But yeah, so what do you think of this? Like, do you like or prefer a hypervisor that's not on the list? Do you like the ones I put on the list? What's your opinion on them? Comment below. And what do you think of Proxmox? Proxmox is like, I didn't use it, so I don't want to say a whole lot about it. But do you think it's gonna be a good comparison to VMware, or it doesn't even come close? Comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Peace.